Hello, hello, hello. This is Mrs. M, and I wanted to make sure I've got quite a few people that are interested in a video on what should we be doing right now. With everything going on, there are some companies that are closed. There are some companies that are not paying once you've provided the services, and a lot of cleaning companies are in high demand, but they are asking for specific types of cleaning that you may not be aware of. So in this 2 minutes, 2-second video, I'm going to give you what should be your next step. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so by clicking the link below. Okay, so what should we do in this environment with everything going on? The virus has a lot of businesses closed down. It is one of the most fantastic time to actually start a cleaning business, but you may want to know what should be your next step. What should be your actually next step? So one of the things you should focus on is getting everything lined up, meaning get your name. If you haven't gotten started, you want to get everything squared away, all your legal, get everything ready for your insurance. So in other words, during this time where everything is kind of slowed down, you want to get ramped up. This is the time to go get it. You want to make sure you select your name, do your due diligence, get a name that no one else is really like too saturated, but something in the word of cleaning. Cleaning is a really high searched name when it comes to cleaning services. So if you do something like pristine cleaning or absolute cleaning, those are the most searched names when it comes to searching for a cleaning business. And of course, we all know that right now everything is searched online. So an online presence, if you're already up and running when it comes to your cleaning business, is of the utmost importance. You want to make sure you have that website. You want to make sure that you have your mindset right. Your mindset is really important. So the very next step is checking over everything and making sure everything is lined up. If you haven't gotten started, get started now. If you're already started, then you need to come up with the next step, which is getting employees, figuring out how you want to do your budget. But goal setting is optimum right now, looking at where you are and where you want to go. So I would say the next step is the next level up. Wherever you are, get into it and make it happen. This is the time. This is where you can show them what the cleaning industry is made of, and that includes you. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please give me a call directly at 407-595-1598. And also, we're going to make sure that we have a link so that you can actually register for our next blueprint for getting started in a successful cleaning business, profitable, successful in this environment right now. Not last week, but right now, not last month, because things change so quickly. I want you to be able to change right along with it. So make sure you click the link. You may be put on a wait list because when we do our actual live events, our webinars, we do have quite a few people that sign up, and because we want to make sure that we're able to get questions and answers in, we try not to have too large of a group with our live events. So make sure you click the link below if you're interested in joining our website, which is Blueprint for a Profitable Cleaning Business, how to start or grow. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.